In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull Google Drive documents to Perplexity AI. To get started, open Perplexity in your browser. On the home page, look for the small plus icon near the prompt box. Click it, then choose Connectors and Sources. Connectors let Perplexity securely look through places you already use so it can ground answers in your own files. For this workflow, we'll connect Google Drive. In the Connectors panel, select Google Drive. If you haven't linked it before, click Add Connector. A Google sign-in window will open. Choose your Google account to proceed, then follow the prompts. When you're asked to continue, click Continue to move ahead with the connection. You'll now see a permissions screen. Select all the requested access so Perplexity can find and read the Drive files you want it to reference. This enables things like listing files, reading their contents, and retrieving metadata, which is essential for accurate results. The access requested is read only for your files, and you can revoke it anytime from the same connectors area in Perplexity or from your Google account settings. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Continue to finish. After authorization completes, you'll land on a confirmation page. Close that window to return to Perplexity. Back in the connectors list, click Google Drive again to make sure it's enabled. You should see a checkmark indicating the connector is active and ready to use. Now you're ready to query your drive. Click into the prompt area and type what you need. Be specific so Perplexity pulls the right document and context. For example, summarize the latest project brief in my drive, compare the two most recent proposals in my drive for pricing differences, or find the document titled Brand Guidelines and list the color codes. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Perplexity will search your connected drive and synthesize an answer grounded in your files. As results appear, look for citations or source cards. These point back to the exact documents used so you can verify details and open the originals if needed. If you don't see drive sources in the answer, reopen connectors to confirm that Google Drive is still checked, then refine your prompt with a file name, folder name, or a distinctive phrase from the document to narrow the search. That's it. You've connected Google Drive, confirmed the connector, and run a prompt that pulls content directly into Perplexity. From here, iterate on your questions. Ask for summaries, comparisons, or quick extracts like dates, figures, and action items while keeping your documents securely in Drive.